myself Utkarsh Gupta, and today we are here at the premises of JK Paper Limited to meet YV Purohit ji, Public Relations and Administrative Head. Please welcome.
We cyber fair students, we all have come here to meet the YM Purohit ji, who is YD Purohit ji, who is Administrative and PR Head of JK Paper Limited. Here are the cyber fair students who will be one by one asking questions and will be aware of more information about what's the changes who has been brought into Songad area.
Welcome to my chamber, Stingania Public students. Okay, now you can ask your questions.
Okay, so my first question is to you is that how effective
Company is playing a very important role, particularly in changing the economic scenario of this area, because they have started a lot of activities through CSR. Like we are giving up our water for irrigation to the tribal marginal farmers, and this will help particularly a downtrodden people to uplift their economic status from where they are.
My second question is what has been the social impact of the presence of company?
The social impact, particularly, it's a great impact, particularly on the tribal areas, because we have started so many activities like a mobile dispensary van, providing free of cost medical services to the poor tribals. In addition to this adult literacy program and so many other programs we are running in nearby villages, which will help particularly in improving their social fabrics also.
So our third question is what were the living conditions, especially social and economic structures, before the establishment of the company?
Before establishment of the company, particularly in this area, being a tribal area, this is not a developed area, and considering the economic, because being a marginal farmers here, their income per capita is very less, and at that time there is no other source than the agriculture. Agriculture is also a big problem, particularly because there is no irrigation facility in this area. So before this company establishes here, there is unemployment problem and there is no other resources particularly. So entering this company in the area has changed the economic status of this area.
Next question.
Sir, the fourth question is from me that how do you see the all around growth of the area from 5 to 10 years since now?
In next 8-10 years, we feel that if the industry get expand and if some other ancillaries and other industries will come in this area, then definitely the economy of this area will improve and socio-economic order of this area will get improved.
Next.
Sir, my question to you, can you support the statement JK Paper Limited is a game changer for the locality?
Yeah, definitely it's a game changer for the locality because it will give enough employment, particularly if the project expands. Naturally, the employment will also get be affected.
Any other information you would like to share with us?
Any other information regarding what?
Last, like you have been here for a long period, the changes you have seen.
Yeah, I have seen a lot of changes, particularly because initially when this unit was established, because that was established in 1968, And thereafter, in 87, this unit becomes SEEK, referred to BIFR, and then rehabilitation starts in 1992. JK took over this company, and then we expand this project in 2005. And now it is on the path of resurgence and moving ahead. It has helped a lot, particularly in the upliftment of downtrodden people of this area.
For Singhania Public School, we all would like to thank sir
Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity.
for his valuable time he has spared with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.